Our new recipe is Vegetable Korokke. Mashed potatoes and sautéed vegetables are lightly seasoned with salt and pepper, breaded with panko breadcrumbs, and deep fried. A typical Japanese korokke includes ground meat, but this version is vegetarian friendly. We'll show you how to make it. Peel the potatoes and cut them into quarters. Cook them in boiling water until they are soft. Strain. In a large bowl, mash the potatoes thoroughly. Chop the onion finely. In a frying pan, heat the butter or oil, then sauté the onion for about a minute. Add the frozen mixed vegetables and cook for a couple of minutes. Season with some salt and pepper to taste. Add the vegetables to the mashed potatoes and mix well. Add some more salt and pepper to taste and let it cool. Divide the potato mixture into 8 equal portions because we are going to make 8 korokkes, and shape each portion into oval patty. Refrigerate the patties for about an hour to firm them up. Coat each potato patty with all-purpose flour, then dip it into beaten eggs, and finally coat it evenly with panko breadcrumbs. Repeat to make 8 korokke patties. Heat the deep frying oil to temperature between 350 to 375 and fry the patties for 3 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown and crispy. Remove from the oil and place on paper towels, and serve immediately with tonkatsu sauce if you like. While it takes some effort to make homemade korokke, the result is well worth it. Crispy outside and soft and fluffy inside. Everyone loves korokke.
美味しい。美味しいね。